Socializing 97. I had a thought which I wanted to share. One of the major reasons why the relationships of people become fractured and broken over time is due to ignorance. When one does not know the rights that they owe others, nor the rights people owe them, according to the teachings of Islam, people begin to expect and demand things they are not entitled to, and they fail to fulfill the rights that they owe others also. For example, parents often believe that their children owe them complete obedience and submission, meaning their child must agree with and do whatever their parent suggests. But this is simply not true in Islam. A child does have the right to make their own lawful choices in life, even if it contradicts the opinions of their parents, as long as they maintain good manners towards their parents. The major cause of divorce is when people demand things their spouse does not owe them. Siblings often become estranged as they believe their siblings should also support them in every situation without exception, and in ways pleasing to them. The examples are virtually endless. Ignorance of the rights one is owed and the rights they owe others encourages one to make up these standards according to their own desires, culture, and fashion. As the desires of people vary considerably, these fabricated standards are never fulfilled by people. This leads to bitterness between people, which over time leads to fractured and broken relationships. Muslims must avoid this outcome by learning and acting on the teachings of Islam, so that they know and fulfill the rights they owe others and know the rights people owe them. In addition, when one gains an ACTS on Islamic knowledge, it will encourage them to behave leniently with others, hoping that Allah, the Exalted, will act leniently with them. This leniency will prevent one from demanding their full rights from others, thereby making the lives of others easier, and reducing the risks of arguments. This leniency will also encourage one to let things go whenever they are wronged by others, so that they avoid pettiness. This leads to positivity and peace of mind, and prevents fractured and broken relationships. On the other hand, living according to one's own standards causes the opposite to occur. A person easily becomes petty over small issues. They become bitter and continue to hold onto grudges for decades. This leads to enmity, negativity, and a pessimistic attitude towards others. All these things prevent peace of mind and lead to fractured and broken relationships. Muslims must therefore ensure they have healthy relationships with others by learning and acting on Islamic knowledge, so that they know and fulfill the rights of people, and know the rights people owe them. Over 400 free ebooks, audiobooks, infographics, podcasts and blogs available on our website, www.shakepod.com.